Hello, everyone. My name is Harri Majala, and I am the founder of GBuilder, a BIM-based customer journey management platform that enables medium and large-size builders to enhance and digitalize their customer journeys and any related processes, from sales and marketing through customer success and construction, and even beyond the moving in. Today, we are diving into the future of construction a bit, where we will explore how BIM, Building Information Model, and AI are not just buzzwords, but the dynamic duo revolutionizing residential construction. But before we jump into the future, let's take a quick look how far we've come. First, a bit about the history. As you can see in the pictures, it wasn't an easy start. There was a time when construction meant hand-drawn plans on a large sheet of paper, endless phone calls and emails flying back and forth, often followed by nights spent wrestling with spreadsheets and Excel. It was a time when coordination was as much about luck as it was about skill. Now let's fast forward to 2015 and a McKinsey report that pointed out that the construction industry's digitalization efforts were only slightly ahead of agriculture. Yes, you heard it right, just ahead of tractors and plows. But then the pandemic hit, and suddenly everything changed. The need for remote work and efficiency drove the adaptations of point solutions and digitalization like never before. It was as if someone had finally hit the fast work forward button on an industry that had been stuck in slow motion. This really accelerated the digitalization in construction. Now let's talk about the digitalization a bit more. I have written a blog regarding the 3 days of digitalization, as I like to say. As we move through the days of digitalization in construction, we saw 3 distinct phases. On a day 1, we started with the basic digital tools that operated in silos, each department doing its own thing, but with little communication between them. On a day 2 of digitalization, we started to integrate these tools, at least we attempted. But as we quickly found out, that was not always possible, and the data was not always compatible. This made it more holistic solutions needed and available. The real breakthrough came on day 3 of digitalization, which is ongoing in Scandinavia, when everything started to come together. Information is flowing seamlessly, and for the first time, we have a true overview of the entire process, from sales and marketing through the construction to the customer service. And that's where BIM, our building information modeling, comes in. BIM has now become a cornerstone of the construction industry, especially in residential and commercial projects. It is no longer just a tool or a side note. It is the foundation upon which we build. It is the new normal. Give you a good example if you look at the screen on the right. That is a project of more than 200 homes with 2,000 rooms, with 16,500 surface materials, 21,000 fixed furnishing, and so on. And added with the decorations on top of that, that is a true BIM, true digital twin that we can leverage going forward. Now let's dive in a little bit more deeply into the topic of today's presentation, BIM and AI. First, BIM. At GBuilder, BIM models have always been at the heart of our product. We understood early on that centralized information management or proprietary data would be the key to unlock greater efficiency, accuracy, and savings. And we're not just talking about saving a few dollars here and there. It is about the fundamental shift in how we approach construction. It's a switch in mindset, if you may. Efficiency. With centralized data, efficiency skyrockets. No more chasing down the latest plans or updates. Everything is right where it needs to be, accessible to everyone involved in the right project. Right information at the right place at the right time. Accuracy is another major win enabled by BIM. When everybody's working off the same data set in real time, the chances of errors, whatever there are in measurements, materials, or timelines, plummet. Savings, another benefit. And of course, with greater efficiency and accuracy comes cost savings. We're talking about projects that are completed on time, within budget, and with far fewer headaches along the way. It's not just always about the money, it's also how well your staff, people, stakeholders are feeling at the end of the project. But we don't stop there. Continuous improvements is built into our process. With every project, we're learning, refining, and getting better, and so are our customers and their BIM modeling processes. This is not just a one-time benefit, it's an ongoing evolution, a journey that we share with our customers across the Europe and US. So what about the future and the AI? Here you can see, by the way, one of the presentations of the BIM that is enhanced with the AI, and the processes are based on the AI within this model. This is not a 3D visualization per se, like traditional way. This is the actual BIM model you guys are looking at. As we look to the future, the data we're collecting is growing exponentially. And with that growth comes the opportunity to leverage AI in ways that were once unimaginable. AI has been ebbing and flowing like the tide since the 1950s, but it hit us like tsunami in 2022 when ChatGPT-3 was released. Suddenly, AI wasn't just a tool for the future, it was here and it was powerful and it was here to stay. This way of AI allowed us to understand customer needs more deeply than ever before and to offer a truly personalized solution. Imagine guiding a customer through the purchasing process with a language model that understands their preferences and even assists in interior design choices, all in real time. We are truly understanding the customer needs, in some cases even before they know their needs themselves. With AI-driven tools integrated into our platform, we can steer the buying process in a new and exciting ways, offering a level of customization and engagement that simply wasn't possible before. We can create a way of home buying that has never been possible, not just the normal process, but also configurations and decorating your home, and even maintaining it. Welcome to the next generation of BIM and AI-powered home buying. How can we constantly improve projects by leveraging the observations based on the data analysis? As projects progress forward, AI-driven data analysis provides insights that help us continually improve, leading to fewer mistakes, faster sales, and more efficient turnover of capital. This can make a huge difference in today's market conditions and macroeconomics conditions. Imagine a world where homes are bought online 24/7, fully digitally, with the process so streamlined that customers can get exactly what they want, with no surprises, no hidden traps or mistakes along the way. True, secure, online digitalized way of buying your home and even maintaining. GBuild as a data engine leverages AI and proprietary insights from more than 40,000 digital twins, individual homes across Europe, US, and Middle East. To deliver powerful data tools, these tools enable all builders, regardless of their knowledge and resources, to enhance their customer offerings and streamline their processes. The data engine ensures that valuable data is accessible to every member of the organization, expanding its benefits and democratizing information across the team and platform. Our AI assistant is called ChatGPT, and we'll be launching it later this year. In conclusion, we are not just building homes, we're building a future where technology and innovation lead to smarter, faster, and especially more sustainable construction in general. At GBuild, we're proud to be at the forefront of this revolution, ensuring that every project we undertake is a step towards a more connected, efficient, and customer-centric world, enhanced by AI and leveraging the BIM. Thank you, everyone. If you have any questions and you like to talk about this topic here, LinkedIn is probably the best place to talk to me. Thank you.